This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. This beautifully maintained home offers a seamless blend of functionality and natural beauty. With multiple living spaces, the floor plan adapts effortlessly to a variety of lifestyles, whether you need more open living spaces and a spacious kitchen for entertaining, quiet corners for working at home, or additional rooms for guests or hobbies. Tucked beside a serene nature preserve, this home offers both privacy and natural beauty. Soft light pours through the windows and each window offers a peaceful vista view, bringing the outdoors in. While you're enjoying morning coffee on the patio, you'll be treated to water views, wildlife and a tranquil setting, perfect for relaxing and recharging. Located close to shopping, restaurants and I-95. Roof, 2016, air conditioner -2024, exterior paint, 2025, vinyl flooring throughout. Temporary fencing can convey. If you are looking for a home and not just a house, this is the one for you. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.